Would you believe if I told you that you could earn $300 first thing in the morning, then another $100 after a few hours? Well, you've come to the right place because this video will absolutely change you and your financial status for the better. This is to give you the chance to achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. So, for today, I will be introducing to you a website that is related to Microsoft Word. This is absolutely free, no payment is required for you to start. This is also available worldwide. Can you believe it? Wherever you are located, you can access this website and earn up to $200 to $1,000. All you need is your mobile phone or computer and an internet connection. More importantly, doing this does not require any specific skills or experience. Even a beginner can do this right away and earn lots and lots of money. Watch till the end of the video to learn the step-by-step process on how to do this and earn money online. So, with that being said, let's get on with the video. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. First things first, I want you to go to this website called Hiresign.com. This will absolutely direct you to this page. Hiresign connects thousands of freelancers and people who are looking for skilled individuals for their small programs while being able to earn a good amount of money online. Now, I want you to click on the Current Openings tab. This shows the online work opportunities in Hiresign. To get started, you do not need to pay anything because the registration is free. Yes, you heard that right. It is absolutely free. And since this is available worldwide, they pay you every single day within 24 hours in different payment methods. This includes PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, etc. Hiresign offers different online jobs where you will be working while enjoying the comfort of your home. This includes typing jobs, PowerPoint presentation jobs, proofreading jobs, and so on. There are just so many opportunities in Hiresign to make money because they pay you competitive rates even if you're a complete beginner. And you can work when you want to. Isn't that great? At this time, I will be focusing on the proofreading job that Hiresign offers. What you do is you edit MS Word files and check grammatical errors and spelling. Doing this does not require you to be good at English. You will not be speaking to anybody while doing this, and experience is not needed in proofreading. So there is nothing to worry about. Taking this opportunity could help you earn $5 to $10 per page that you proofread. Now you should click this link and it will lead you to this page. Become an online proofreader. The sign-up process is absolutely free of charge, but it can be kind of tricky, so I want you to pay close attention so that you would not miss any important details. Now, under the Become an Online Proofreader page, you should be able to scroll down below. From then, you will see that the application procedure and that submissions are 100% free. All you have to do is click the button Apply to be an online proofreader. This will then take you to another page, How to Apply at Hiresign. Under this page, it will show you the steps on how to get enrolled. You should go through the steps before submitting the application. First step is to review the hiring process. This will help you provide an error-free submission. Second, you should click the Submit Job Application button. This will lead you to another page, Form Submission Rules. You should then be able to scroll down and then you will see Proceed to Application. To send the form, you should click the Apply Now button. And finally, this will take you to the online application form page on the website. I know it's kind of confusing to locate the online application form, so make sure to re-watch the video so you won't miss out any important details. And do watch the video until the end because I'll be showing you how to use an automatic software that will do everything for you on Microsoft Word, and you can immediately start earning $20 and even up to $100 from a single Microsoft Word document. So now when you scroll down, you will be looking at the application form that you are to fill up with correct details. Don't panic, I will explain to you step by step on how to complete the form so that you can get hired and will be able to start making money. As you can see here, I'm going to fill up here my username, my first name, my last name, my gender, and of course my age. This also requires my personal email address, the password of my email, and my mobile number. Next up is very important. It is now asking you to select your notice period. Now with this, you should select immediately and within 24 hours. Bam, you get accepted straight away. And once you get accepted, you start receiving different jobs from clients and start making money instantly. How great is that? For the next question, which positions are you interested in? Under this, you should choose proofreading job since we want to earn using Microsoft Word. Next, you should click the down arrow to choose what country you are located in since Hiresign is available worldwide. For your current work status, you should choose freelancer since it gives you a higher chance to get hired. And finally, for the last question to fill up in the application form under the Brief Yourself question, I have made a template that you could follow. Just pause the video to copy it. Once you're done with filling up the form, just click the small box below and then click the register button. There you have it. After 24 hours, you should be able to get accepted at hiresign.com and can already start doing proofreading work using MS Word to make money online. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now that you've started working as a proofreader, you will be receiving Microsoft Word files with a lot of spelling mistakes and grammatical errors just like this. But thanks to Microsoft Word, you could automatically identify these errors and revise it with just one click. Just look for underlined words or phrases, then right-click and then autocorrect. This is an easy method that you could repeat countless times. Once again, you do not need to be good in English to easily earn $20. Remember, I told you that I'll be showing you an automatic software that will do everything for you on Microsoft Word. Well, first thing, I want you to go to Google and type in this keyword in search, Reverso Speller. Now, I want you to click the first link that you will see here, the reverso.net, spell checker, grammar, and spell check in English. This will lead you to this page where you can start using the free software, which is an automatic spell checker. Basically, it helps you check and revise spelling and grammatical errors in English that are found in the Microsoft Word file. You just have to copy and paste the text on this column, just like this. Don't forget to click on this one, US and UK. As you can see, they can already detect the errors in the text which are underlined words. After, just click the yellow button to check everything. After loading, they automatically correct the errors. Isn't that great? This is an effortless method and it is 100% free. With this, you can now join thousands of people in proofreading and earn money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.